When considering an air fryer as highly rated as ours, there's only one choice left to make: red, white, or black. Under every coat of paint is the same beautifully designed device, guaranteeing easy meals from start to finish, no matter what color you pick. It even gives helpful hints along the way. Need inspiration? Our chefs created 100 ideas for you and rigorously tested each one to ensure delicious results. Missing summer cookouts? Every entree needs a side. And to top it all off, get recipes of your own. Join the growing COSORI community on Facebook to share and find new food to try. So what are you waiting for? Find out for yourself.
Meet the Ninja Air Fryer, a fast and easy way to cook your favorite foods. It ensures even circulation of hot air around your food for quick, crispy, and golden finishes every time. The secret is the combination of a wide temperature range while powering the fan that automatically adjusts speeds for your temperature setting. This allows you to cook and crisp your favorite foods, like 2 pounds of French fries using little to no oil in a family-sized 4-quart ceramic-coated basket. The wide temperature range gives you the ability to roast, bake, air fry, reheat, or dehydrate foods, making it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack.
Emeril, take one.
Hi, Emeril Lagasse here, cooking with my Power Air Fryer 360. It's like having me in your kitchen. Bam, bam, bam. Rotisserie a whole chicken with just one touch. That's so crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Even everyday meals come out perfectly cooked. My Power Air Fryer 360 is now available at these retailers. So hey, start cooking.
Practical, powerful, and with style to spare. The COSORI stainless steel air fryer was built to make an impression. 9 original presets and a collection of custom recipes help deliver healthy results in all shapes and sizes. The intuitive LCD display gives you full control over time and temperature, while the preheat and alarm functions make sure everything runs smoothly from start to finish, no matter what you make. And when you're done cooking, the removable dishwasher-safe basket and stainless steel exterior keep cleanup quick and painless. So all you're left with is leftovers.
Hey everyone, today I want to show you this incredible air fryer that I just unpacked. I couldn't be happier right away. The size is absolutely perfect, you guys. It's going to be small and compact, so when it's on your countertops, it's not going to take much space. But it's incredible how you can stick it right underneath these cupboards and it doesn't look big at all. As you see, the thing looks absolutely small. Next to a regular appliance that I have, it's just big and bulky. So this isn't something that you're going to want to have on your countertop, but this air fryer is. Right away, I noticed how lightweight it is. So this is going to be nice for anybody to have, especially students in a dorm room. This is going to be perfect for 1 to 2 people to make a meal. So when you open it up, you're going to notice that you have this incredible nonstick basket. So this is going to be perfect for air frying any kind of food, French fries, and you're going to be able to get it evenly distributed by shaking the basket. Right after opening it up, you're going to notice this little cardboard piece and it says before you get started. What it tells you to do is you want to wash the basket from inside out just with a little bit of warm water and some soap, and then turn it to 400 degrees and let it preheat for 15 minutes. Once you've done that, this is ready to go and you can start air frying all of your delicious foods. Another thing after opening it up, you're going to notice you're going to get this recipe book. And you guys, this has 50 different recipes. I couldn't be more happy. So what you're going to get is the prep time, the cook time, the ingredients, and all of those wonderful things. And it's going to give you pictures to show you what it should look like after. I absolutely love having this because a lot of times I don't know what I want to cook. So this is going to give you all of those healthy, fun recipes to make with this. Let's start making some incredible foods and show you how fun and easy it is to do. As you all saw, that was super easy and fun to do, and I now have perfectly steamed broccoli. I couldn't be happier with this, you guys. So easy to use and accurate. One of the things I said I love the most is that it's going to be compact and small, so sticking it underneath my cupboards is perfect for afterwards, and it's not going to take up much space on my countertops like I said. I hope you guys learned something today. Go get yourselves your own smart air fryer and be super excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.